Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study a new poem. The title of the poem is A Green Cornfield, written by poetess Christina Rose T. She was born in London, England, an English poet who wrote a variety of romantic, devotional, and children's poems. The poetess tells in her poem about the life, nature, and love. A picture of a countryside. Countryside means Gramin Ilaka. The poetess is in a cornfield and hears a skylark singing. The skylark's song was very beautiful and joyful. On the way, she stopped for a while to enjoy the beauty of the nature. A skylark is a small bird, singing bird. A skylark is traditionally associated with joy and springtime. Spring season मतलब बसंत ऋतु. Cornfield is green. The green color symbolized positivity, brightness, and peace. It was a spring season. Everywhere it was greenery. Butterflies were happily dancing according to the skylark's singing. Reading of first stanza. The earth was green, the sky was blue. I saw and heard one sunny morn, a skylark long between the two, the singing spark above the corn. The earth was green means it was full of crops, corn crops. The sky was blue. Heard means sunna. Morn, bright morning. Sunny morn means it was very bright morning, fine morning. बहुत ही चमचमाता धूप था आसमान में. A skylark is a small singing bird. Here long means fly. Between the two means now the skylark bird is flying between earth and the sky. The singing माने गायन, spark, spot, dot above the corn means makkah. Explanation of first stanza. The poet had seen a skylark singing happily on a sunny and fine morning, bright morning. The skylark was singing between the earth which was green and the sky which was blue. Pecking the corn for its young ones, there was sufficient food for the skylark in the cornfield. It was flying up and down between the earth and the sky in happiness. Reading of second stanza. A stage below in gay accord, white butterflies danced on the wing, and still the singing skylark showed, and silent shrank and sought to sing. Here, a stage refers to the garden, cornfield. All were performing on the cornfield, butterflies, then skylark bird and all. Gay accord, happy agreement. Butterflies, titliya, wing, पंख. स्काईलर्क, छोटी सी पक्षी जो बहुत सुंदर गाती है, अच्छी गाती है. Soared means flew high in the sky. Silent, soundless. Shrank माने went up and down, है ना, ऊपर नीचे उड़ना. Sing माने गाना. These are the word meanings. It will help you understand the meaning of the stanza. Explanation of second stanza. A stage of happiness has been set for it with white butterflies dancing according to the song of the skylark, and once it soared high singing, silent shrank below it. उस स्टेज के ऊपर पक्षियां जो है ऊपर नीचे जा रही थी, गा रही थी, और उनके गाने के धुन पर ही वाइट मैंने सफ़ेद तितलियाँ और जो गार्डन है वो डांस कर रहे थे उसके गाने के अनुसार, अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्काइलर्स सॉन्ग। सभी शांति पूर्वक स्काइलर के गाना सुन रहे थे, उसके धुन पर सब झूम रहे थे। थर्ड स्टैंजा। The cornfield stretched tender green to right and left beside my walks. I knew he had a nest unseen somewhere among the million stalks. Word meanings. Cornfield, a field in which a corn is being grown. Stretched, spread, tender, soft, कोमल। न्यू, जानता था, अनसीन, अनदेखा, विच वी कैनॉट सी, समवेयर इट इज प्राइवेसी, वी कांट सी। स्टॉक्स माने मेन स्टेम ऑफ द क्रॉप और प्लांट, डंठल जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं। एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ थर्ड स्टैंजा। अ टेंडर कॉर्नफील्ड स्ट्रेस्ड स्प्रेड ऑन बोथ द साइड of the poet, and she knew that the bird's mate was listening to her song from an unseen nest. This stage explains that it was spring season and was greenish everywhere. This season helped the birds to have food in plenty, which in turn made the birds happy. चारों ओर लहलाती खेत, हरियाली चारों ओर, और छोटे छोटे जो भुट्टे उगे हुए हैं, जो बर्ड्स है वो उसको अपने चोंच में करके खा रहे हैं, ले रहे हैं, अपने बच्चों के लिए कलेक्ट कर रहे थे। वो सब खुश थे। और इस स्टेंजा में यही बताया गया है कि ये एक स्प्रिंग सीजन है, चारों ओर हरियाली हरियाली है। सब पक्षी, बटरफ्लाइज, सभी वहाँ पे जो भी थे सब खुश थे। कवि जो है ये सारे दृश्य वहाँ खड़े खड़े देख रहे थे, वो खुद भी बहुत खुश था। स्प्रिंग सीजन माने बसंत ऋतु। फोर्थ स्टैंजा। एंड एज आई पॉज टू हियर हिज सॉन्ग while swift the sunny moment slid, perhaps his mate sat listening along and listened longer than I did. Some word meaning. Paused, stopped, hear, sunna, song, गाना, swift, fast, sunny moment, धूप का क्षण, slid, move away. Perhaps, शायद, probably, mate, partner, listened, hearing, longer, लंबे समय तक। Explanation. The poet got so engrossed in the song that she did not realize the time flying by. She was also sure that the bird's partner will be hearing the song long after she had gone. कवि गाना को सुनकर इतना मुग्ध हो गई थी कि उसे समय का पता ही नहीं चला, कब सुबह से शाम हो गई थी। और वो ये सोच रहा था शायद मेरे जाने के बाद भी स्काइलर का पार्टनर तो गाना और लंबे समय तक सुन पाएगा, लेकिन मुझे तो यहाँ से जाना ही होगा। वह स्काइलर का पार्टनर कितना खुशनसीब है जो मेरे जाने के बाद भी वो उसका गाना सुन पाएगा। फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड स्टैंजा वी हैव लर्न्ड अबाउट द नेचर. Third and fourth stanza we have studied about the joyful singing of skylark. Here we ends our poem and its explanation.